Portable 220 volts Type 2 male plug to Schuko socket EV charging adapter for EV char. Portable 220 volts Type 2 male plug to Schuko socket EV charging adapter for EV charger. If you have an electric vehicle, EV, you know that finding a place to charge it can be a challenge. Not all charging stations are created equal, and some may not be compatible with your vehicle. That's where a portable EV charging adapter comes in. A portable EV charging adapter allows you to charge your EV at any 220 volts outlet, regardless of whether it's a Type 2 or Schuko socket. This is a great option for people who travel frequently or who don't have access to a dedicated EV charging station. The 220 volts Type 2 male plug to Schuko socket EV charging adapter is a great choice for EV owners who need a portable charging solution. It's easy to use and can be plugged into any 220 volts outlet. The adapter is also compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport. Here are some of the benefits of using a portable EV charging adapter. Convenience. You can charge your EV at any 220 volts outlet, regardless of whether it's a Type 2 or Schuko socket. Portability. The adapter is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport. Affordability. Portable EV charging adapters are typically more affordable than dedicated EV charging stations. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to charge your EV, a portable EV charging adapter is a great option. Here are some of the things to consider when choosing a portable EV charging adapter. Power rating. The power rating of the adapter determines how quickly it can charge your EV. Compatibility. Make sure the adapter is compatible with your EV's charging port. Size and weight. The size and weight of the adapter will affect how easy it is to transport. Price. Portable EV charging adapters can range in price from around $20 to $100. Here are some of the best portable EV charging adapters on the market. EVSE Pro Portable EV Charging Adapter. This adapter has a power rating of 3.6 kilowatts and is compatible with most EVs. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport. Grizzly EVSE Portable EV Charging Adapter. This adapter has a power rating of 6.6 kilowatts and is compatible with most EVs. It's also durable and weatherproof, making it a good option for outdoor use. ChargePoint Home Flex Portable EV Charging Adapter. This adapter has a power rating of 10.0 kilowatts and is compatible with most EVs. It's also easy to use and has a built-in display that shows the charging status. No matter what your needs are, there's a portable EV charging adapter that's right for you. By choosing a portable EV charging adapter, you can give yourself the freedom to charge your EV anywhere you go.